Yo, hey, little bird. Little bird stuck in captivity, eating seeds as a pastime activity. The other birds not awaken from his old life. It was taken, left him forsaken, with only seeds it could be retaken. Yo, hallucinations and headache left him with a sense of paradise. The hearts of others shake as his mind starts to break. Then only he realizes his mistake. The seeds were anti his problems that could not be fixed. Too late to realize his pain and conflicts. Yo, his friends lost, ideas of happiness, mere relics left alone with antidepressant psychedelics. Yo, the little birdie stuck in captivity. The end would come near with him continuing in his activity. Yo, hey. Yo, I just want to give a quick shout out to Darius. He wrote the lyrics for the song, and if I say this man can write, bro, he put a lot of effort into this, and I can really do this. I can really go with this. It's something I can adapt to. This guy's style is really over the top. It's really good. It's really well done. And I say very much thank you for giving me the opportunity to, put my voice over this and put a beat on it and, get your message across out there. Yeah. Peace.